Yo, what up, gang? Look at that pretty thing. She dirty. I still haven't had time to wash this thing, man. I feel so bad. But, is this what we're looking for? No, it's not what we're looking for. Anyways, it is Monday. Welcome back to the regular program. First Monday after the LS Fest weekend. It is recovery time for the car. I have to find that later. I know it's still around here somewhere. I hope so. But, yeah, man. We gotta get the Camaro fixed up so we can give her a proper goodbye. Oh, yeah, side note, I have a confession. I am getting rid of the Camaro. She's leaving. Sorry for those who don't want it to happen. This isn't why, but this is why we can't drive it right now. Excuse the ugliness up under here. You see that? That's a weld, bottom and top. That just came off on my way to a meet. What was it, Saturday night? So, yeah, not ideal, pretty upsetting. I really wanted to have it with me yesterday at the races, but it is what it is. Nothing I can do about it. So I have to take the hot side apart, have to drop the turbo and get that piece off. Take it over to my guys over at DEF. If you're in Vegas, man, you need exhaust, get at them, man. They took care of you. Let them know I sent you. They did the teardrop setup on it. Great work. Pretty reasonable on time and price as well, considering what you get out of it. So we're gonna try and get this thing apart tonight and see if we can drop it off tonight. That would be ideal. If anything, at the very least, I want to at least get pictures of it and text it to them and, you know, see how much it would be to get it fixed, and then possibly getting the wastegate put on as well. While it's down for that, I got to find my spare regulator, fuel pressure regulator, and see if I can swap that thing on too while I'm at it, just to see if it'll fix my fuel issue that I have. Curious on that, you know, it's whatever. But I want to give this thing a proper send-off. So I want to ideally fix this, get the wastegate on it so I can floor it, fix the fuel issue so it'll be safe when I floor it, and I just want to thrash this thing for a whole weekend, man. A whole weekend, Friday to Sunday. Borrowed a homie Z28 Lola drag pack and get a good video of making hits, and then throw the regular wheels back on it, and I want to do a cool burnout / donut, get a video of that, and then I would be content with this thing. I don't want to race nobody. I don't want to, you know, be in no shootout or nothing like that. I know it's not ready for that, and that's okay. I just want to have genuine fun in this thing before I let it go, just to say that I did it, you know. So I'm gonna get cracking on that. I think my tools are in the truck. I hope my alarm doesn't go off when I open this, because it's locked. Sweet, good to know. Yeah, I need that. And oh, actually, the tools I need are in the trunk of the car already. Just kidding. But yeah, I'll get with you guys when I get this off, and then, you know, keep the video going, hopefully. And then if I drop it off tonight, I'll get a video and see what those guys are up to over at DEF. And for those that don't know DEF and what it stands for, there you go, Dynamic Exhaust Fabrication. Just hit up my boy JoJo, man. That's their Instagram is DEF, I believe. There's like an underscore in there between. But when we shoot over there, I'll get all their contact info so you can hit them up. You just shoot me a comment directly and I can get it for you, and I can, you know, shit it back to you. If you're ever in Vegas, like I said, get at them, they'll take care of you. But yeah, let me stop talking and running my mouth, man. Let me get these tools out and then get this thing apart. I'll get back with y'all in a second. Later. All right, guys, excuse the wind. I'm gonna try to block it with my hands as much as possible. Oh, this is our problem. As you can see here, this is where the V-band attaches to. Got the welds snapped it clean off, so hopefully we can get this fixed up at a reasonable price and be back in action. But this guy, you know, slides on like so, and then it's welded on. So yeah, I'm gonna grab this, load this up, and then we'll take the wastegate with us as well. Get rid of that guy. Hopefully get this one put on. I was not able to find my regulator. Pretty upset about that. So I don't want to buy more stuff for this car, but I would like to resolve that issue. So I don't know, we'll see, but I'm not thinking Buddy is good. So yeah, stand by on that. But yeah, I'm gonna clean these tools up and close up the house. I'll slide this up under there so don't make no mess. And yeah, give it to you guys in a second at DEF. Alright guys, this is the shop I'm talking about. Hopefully y'all can hear me with the wind. This is the owner's truck. Just finished it up. Single turbo build. Hey, pop the hood real quick. Just finished this thing up not too long ago. Thrashed it for LS Fest and made it. You see the sticker? This thing's pretty sweet. Thing's pretty clean too. Terminator X. Got some roof and everything. Thing's dope. Got a nice little cat eye over there in the corner too. He was at the races last night. Y'all see the video on that, well, you should have seen it already. And this is the shop. Got a lift. This thing's been here for a while. That's what it did. Oh, that's pretty cool. Got G8 in the corner. It's the man, the myth, the legend himself.
That guy over there.
No.
Right there to the right.
Oh, hell, man. It's the office up in here. Y'all come check it out, man. Only shop in Vegas I'll let do my exhaust. I can't wait for him to do the vet. Then it's gonna be nasty. But all right, I'm gonna show him the pieces that I got, wrapping it real quick. I can check in with y'all later. Come check him out, man.